Hello and greetings to dear friends. In the previous session, for example, we examined the simple moving average indicator and explained how to use it. In this session, we will highlight Python's capability in calculating various types of indicators. If you recall, the pandas TA library, abbreviated as PTA, was imported. After typing PTA, press the tab key. As you can see, various indicators are listed, some of which may be familiar to friends. By selecting any of these indicators and functions, we can easily make use of them. For example, the Fibonacci function and Ichimoku indicator should be familiar to you. As another example, here I choose the MACD indicator. If you recall, we can use the Python help function to view the details of these functions. By typing this code and running it, information about the MACD indicator is displayed for us. This information includes a brief description of this indicator and other useful information for introducing this indicator. In fact, this indicator is a powerful tool for determining the trend of cryptocurrencies. In this section, it also shows information about the inputs of this function. For example, the first input is the parameter under consideration, which is often the closing price. The following inputs are fast lengths, slow lengths, and signal lengths. The rest of the inputs are less important and optional. Now instead of MACD, we can also explore Ichimoku. Here, once again, we use the help function. Use the keyboard tab again and select Ichimoku. By pressing run, information about this indicator is displayed. Well, initially, brief descriptions of Ichimoku are displayed and a link for its complete tutorial is provided. Here, too, we need to look for the inputs of this function, which include these items: high, low, and close prices, and the periods of Tenkan, Kijun, and Senko are inputs for this indicator. It should be noted that in this session, our goal is not to introduce each indicator in detail, but simply to highlight Python's capability. In fact, similarly to the session on examining the moving average, for any other indicator we can calculate and use them. Thank you.